If you're newer to golf and you're looking to get started, this set from PGM is excellent. My name is Kate with WTI, and first off, we were super impressed with how well it was packaged. It even comes with a golf bag so you can keep everything in the set organized. For a beginner, they've put together a really practical mix of clubs. My husband is newer to golf. He's looking to learn the game, and so this gives him lots of options to experiment. So you're getting everything from your longer distance clubs to irons, wedges, a putter. So there's a lot of variety to be able to practice and get more comfortable. Something that stands out with this set is that it's designed with forgiveness and control in mind. So that's exactly what you need when you're trying to focus on getting your swing right, trying different shots, and figuring out which clubs feel the most comfortable. There's a really nice mix of materials and club head styles throughout the set, and everything feels really well put together. So for someone new, like my husband, who's just getting into golf, this is a really nice complete set that you can learn and grow with rather than trying to figure out what to buy individually. And that's my point of view.